Hello everyone! I'm enjoying the guided walking tour of Ragusa Ibla, another highlight in our tours of Sicily. You can see behind me the beautiful cathedral in Ragusa Ibla. Ragusa is a UNESCO site and it's also a strategic place, so it's included in our tours of Sicily. It's perfectly located to explore the southeast of Sicily. Now we are experiencing the Sicily Lovers Tour. This is a group tour. But of course, I used to recommend you to include Ragusa in your custom private tour of Sicily. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com if you want us to put together a custom private tour. It's available all year round. Or if you want to join one of our group tours named Sicily Lovers Tour, check at our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com to see the available spots in 2026. And please download all the tour brochure with the details, photos, and full contents regarding this tour of Sicily. From the beautiful valley of Ragusa Ibla, it's all. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Mwah!